Hello friends, myself Dattatreya Jadhav. I am from AGM College Karad. Today we are going to discuss some formulas of indefinite integration. Okay, some new formulas of indefinite integration. Look at here. Here is first formula for integration of square root of a square plus x square dx. Integration of square root of a square plus x square dx. Integration of square root of a square minus x square dx. Integration of square root of x square minus a square dx. Here we study three formulas. Look at here. The answer of the formulas are, there are two terms. First term is x by 2 in each formula. The first term is x by 2. Okay. Into integrand. Integrand means what? Whose integration is to be find. Whose integration is here find? Square root of a square plus x square. So into square root of a square plus x square into square root of here a square minus x square into square root of x square minus a square. Here is the first term. Okay. Second term is, in each case, that is a square divided by 2. A square divided by 2. In each case, there is second term a square divided by 2. But in between these two terms, sign is the sign which has a square. Okay. A square has here plus sign. So here is plus. Here a square has plus sign. Here is plus. Here a square has minus sign. So here is minus. Into here second term is coefficient of second term is, if that formula is for reciprocal, that is if that formula is for integration of 1 upon square root of a square plus x square, then answer of that integration is, or formula of that integration is, it's a log of mod of x plus square root of a square plus x square plus constant of integration c. Here, if the formula is for integration of 1 upon reciprocal of that is 1 upon square root of a square minus x square, then answer of this integration is, or formula is, it's a sine inverse x divided by plus constant of integration c. And if this formula is for reciprocal, or that is integration of 1 upon square root of x square minus a square dx, then answer may be log of mod of x plus square root of x square minus a square plus constant of integration c. Here are three new formulas there. Integration of square root of a square plus x square dx is equal to x by 2 into square root of a square plus x square plus a square by 2 into log of mod of x plus square root of a square plus x square plus constant of integration c. Integration of square root of a square minus x square dx is equal to x by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sine inverse of x divided by a plus c. And integration of square root of x square minus a square dx is equal to x by 2 into root of x square minus a square minus a square divided by 2 into log of mod of x plus square root of x square minus a square plus constant of integration c. Remember, these are very lengthy formulas. So remember these formulas. There are two terms. Here is first term, here is second term. First term is x by 2 into, and second term is a square by 2 into. Okay. Here x by 2 into integrand, that is root of a square plus x square. X by 2 into integrand root of a square minus x square is x by 2 into root of x square minus a square integrand. Okay. And second term is a square by 2 in each case. And the sign between these two terms is the sign which has a square. Here a square is positive, so positive sign. Here a square is negative, positive, so positive sign. Here a square is negative, so negative sign. Into Remember the formula is for reciprocal here. Which formula is there? 1 upon root of a square plus x square. It's log of mod of x plus root of a square plus x square. 1 upon root of a square minus x square integration is sin inverse of x upon a. 1 upon root of x square minus x square integration is log of mod of x plus denominator. Okay, plus c. Okay, these are the formulas. Now we solve some examples, simple examples on these formulas. Here is the first example. Evaluate integration root of 9 plus x square dx. Okay, when we use these formulas, if there is a term of, yes, one term of variable square and other term is of constant square, and these two terms are in square root, then we solve this integration by these formulas. Okay, look at here. First denote the given integration by I. So let I is equal to integration of root of 9 plus x square dx. This can be written as integration of root of 3 square plus x square dx. Okay, here 3 is constant, so it looks like a. I can denote here a. So a square plus x square, and the formula for root of a square plus x square integration is x by 2 into root of a square plus x square plus a square by 2 into log of mod of x plus root of a square plus x square plus constant of integration c. So answer of this integration is, first term is x by 2 into integrand. What is integrand here? Root of 3 square plus x square. Okay, plus here a is positive, a square, coefficient of a square is positive, or sign of a square is positive, so plus sign is there. A square, that is 3 square divided by 2 into, if that integrand is for reciprocal, that is 1 upon integration of a square plus x square, then which formula is used here? Log of mod x plus denominator, that is root of a square plus x square, that is root of 3 square plus x square plus constant of integration c. After simplifying, we get x by 2 into root of 3 square is 9, 9 plus x square, square root of 9 plus x square, plus 3 square is again 9, 9 by 2 into log of mod. Look at here, x plus square root of 3 square is 9 plus x square plus constant of integration c. This is the answer of the given integration. Okay, take one more example here. Evaluate integration of square root of 4 minus x square dx. Evaluate integration of square root of 4 minus x square dx. Okay, look at here, this square root is in numerator, denominator is 1. Then we use these formulas. I can write this as, here inside this square root there is one variable square, so I can write second term as a square of constant. 4 is the square of 2. I can write this as root 2 square minus x square dx. It looks like 2 is constant, a square minus x square. It looks like square root of a square minus x square. And here is the formula for integration of square root of a square minus x square dx. It's x by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sin inverse of x divided by a plus c. Okay, now we solve this integration by using that formula, x by 2 into integrand, that is 2 square minus x square. Okay, here sin of 2 square is positive, so plus a square by 2 into, this formula is for, if this formula is for reciprocal, then what is the answer of this integration? Yes, sin inverse of x upon a. So I can write here sin inverse of x upon a is what here? 2, x by 2 plus constant of integration c. After simplification, we can write this as I is equal to x by 2 into square root of 2 square is 4 minus x square plus 1 2 get cancelled here, 2 into sine inverse of x divided by 2 plus constant of integration c. Okay, now take one more example is here. Evaluate integration square root of x square minus 16 dx. Square root of x square minus 16 dx. I can write this as square root of x square minus 4 square dx. Okay, since there is a term inside the square root which is square of variable, I can write second term as a constant square. So integration of square root of x square minus 4 square dx is there. Okay, the formula is integration of square root of x square minus x square dx, x by 2 into, starting these formulas are with x by 2 into integrand, that is square root of x square minus 4 square. Okay, so here is sign of a square is minus, so minus is there. Here sign of 4 square is minus, so minus 4 square divided by 2 into. If that formula is for reciprocal, then which formula is used? Integration of 1 upon square root of x square minus a square. So answer of that integration is log of mod of x plus square root of x square minus 4 square plus constant of integration c, which is equal to x by 2 into square root of x square minus 4 square is 16 minus 4 square is 16 divided by 2 is 8 into log of mod of x plus root of x square minus 16 plus constant of integration c. Here is the answer of the given integration. Okay, now we prove these formulas. Okay, here is first formula. Prove that integration of square root of a square plus x square dx is equal to x by 2 into square root of a square plus x square plus a square by 2 into log of mod of x plus square root of a square plus x square plus constant of integration c. Okay, in previous exams many times these formulas are asked to prove. Okay, so look at here. To prove, I can start with let I is equal to integration square root of a square plus x square. How we prove these formulas? Look at here. Okay, the coefficient of root of a square plus x square is 1. So I can write this as square root of a square plus x square into 1 dx. Okay, it's our first term, it's our second term. By integrating by parts or on integrating by parts. What happened here? On integrating by parts. By parts says that integration of u into v dx is equal to u into integration of v dx minus integration of derivative of u into integration of v dx. Okay, that is first as it is integration of second minus inside the integration derivative of first into integration of second. Okay, so I use here integration by parts. First as it is square root of a square plus x square as it is into integration of second term. Second term is 1, so integration of second term is, that is integration of 1 dx minus inside the integration derivative of first term. d dx of first term means what? d dx of root of a square plus x square. Okay, into integration of second term, that is integration of 1 dx with respect to x, which is equal to, we know that integration of 1 is root of a square plus x square into integration of 1 is x minus inside the integration, here derivative of root of a square plus x square is there. We know the derivative of root x 1 upon 2 root x. So derivative of root of a square plus x square is 1 upon 2 root of a square plus x square. Since it is composite function, multiplied by derivative of a square plus x square. Derivative of a square plus x square. Derivative of a square is 0 plus derivative of x square is 2x. Okay, into integration of 1 is what? X dx. Okay, after simplification this 2 get cancelled. What's remaining here? It's x into root of a square plus x square minus integration of x square divided by root of a square plus x square dx. Okay, now we solve second integration as, look at here, therefore I is equal to x root of a square plus x square minus integration of, look at here, in numerator there is a degree 2 and in denominator there is a function a square plus x square whose degree is also 2, means degrees are same, then we adjust denominator term in a numerator, that is denominator term means a square plus x square in numerator. So I can write this as a square plus x square, but there is only x square is here. Because of addition of a square, the equality is imbalanced. For balancing equality, subtract a square. Okay, divided by root of a square plus x square dx. Okay, on separating denominator, which is equal to x root of a square plus x square minus integration of, on separating denominator, what happened here? Look at a square plus x square divided by root of a square plus x square. Terms are same, a square plus x square same, but what happened? It looks like x divided by root x, and x divided by root x is nothing but root x. So it's root of a square plus x square. Understood? Okay, a square plus x square divided by root of a square plus x square. A square plus x square can be written as root of a square plus x square into root of a square plus x square. One root of a square plus x square get cancelled, and what's remaining here? Root of a square plus x square. Okay, since which x divided by root x is nothing but root x into root x divided by root x. One root x get cancelled, answer is root x. Okay, minus a square divided by root of a square plus x square. Okay, dx. Inside the integration there is subtraction. We separate integration sign, which is equal to x root of a square plus x square as it is minus integration of root of a square plus x square dx, and this minus becomes plus integration of a square divided by root of a square plus x square dx. Okay, now what happened here? We see this term. Yes, you know this term is what? It's I. So this can be written as x root of a square plus x square minus I plus a square is constant, take outside the integration, a square into 1 upon root of a square plus x square dx. Take the terms of I, we have to evaluate I. So take the terms of I on LHS. Therefore, I plus I is equal to, that term on LHS, so I plus I is equal to x root of a square plus x square plus a square into, tell me, the integration of 1 upon root of a square plus x square is log of mod of x plus root of a square plus x square plus constant of integration. I can write here c1. Okay, I plus I is nothing but 2i. Therefore 2i is equal to x root of a square plus x square plus a square into log of mod of x plus root of a square plus x square plus constant of integration c1. Why c1? The answer is in next step. Therefore I is equal to dividing both side by 2 or take 2 on RHS, so it becomes x by 2 into root of a square plus x square plus a square by 2 into log of mod of x plus square root of a square plus x square plus c1 divided by 2, dividing both side by 2, and that c1 divided by 2, which is again a constant, so I can denote that by c. So answer is I is equal to x by 2 into root of a square plus x square plus a square divided by 2 into log of mod x plus root of a square plus x square plus constant of integration c, where c is nothing but c1 divided by 2. c1 is constant, 2 is constant, constant divided by constant is again constant, so I can replace that c1 divided by 2 as a c, and hence the result, that is integration of root of a square plus x square dx is equal to x by 2 into root of a square plus x square plus a square by 2 into log of mod of x plus square root of a square plus x square plus constant of integration c. Okay, similarly we can prove the remaining results, that is integration for a square minus x root of a square minus x square dx and integration of root of x square minus a square dx. Okay, so here is the proof of this formula. Solve the remaining two formulas. Okay, now moving to our example on these formulas. First example is here, evaluate integration square root of 5x square plus 3 dx. Okay, look at here, clearly it is an example on integration. First denote that integration by I, so starting with let I is equal to square root of 5x square plus 3. Okay, now in previous formulas, okay, in formulas there is a term of root of x square plus something, means coefficient of x square is 1, so making coefficient of x square is here 1, so I can take 5 common inside the square root, its x integration becomes I is equal to integration of square root of 5 into x square plus 3 divided by 5 dx. Root 5 is a constant, root of m into n is nothing but root m into root n, so I can write root 5 into root of x square plus 3 divided by 5. Root 5 is constant, so take outside the integration, it's root of x square plus 3 by 5. Okay, inside the square root there is a term which is a square of variable, that is x square. Okay, so writing this second term as a square of another term, constant term, that is 3 by 5 is square of root 3 by 5. Okay, dx. Now it looks like x square plus a square, and we use the formula for integration of square root of x square plus a square dx. Okay, root 5 as it is into, yes, these formulas start with x by 2. So x by 2 into integrand means whose integration is to be found, that is root of x square plus root 3 by 5 bracket square. Okay, here sign of a square is positive, so middle sign is plus a square, that is root 3 divided by 5 bracket square divided by a square by 2 into, if this formula is for reciprocal, that is integration of 1 upon square root of x square plus a square, then what is the answer of this integration? It's a log of mod of x plus square root of x square plus a square, that is x square plus root 3 by 5 bracket square plus constant of integration c. Okay, which is equal to, on simplification, root 5 as it is into, it's x by 2 into square root of, this term is here, okay, not there. So I can write x square plus 3 by 5 plus root 3 by 5 square is 3 by 5 divided by 2, that is 3 by 10 into log of mod of x plus root of x square plus root 3 by 5 square is 3 by 5 plus constant of integration c, bracket complete, plus constant of integration c. Okay, it's our final answer. Root 5 into x by 2 into square root of x square plus 3 by 5 plus 3 by 10 into log of mod of x plus square root of x square plus 3 by 5 plus constant of integration c. Okay, we see one more last example here on this formula. Evaluate integration x square into square root of a square minus x raised to 6, a square minus x raised to 6 dx. Look at here. In this example, there is a term of root of a square minus something, that is x raised to 6. I can write this as something square. What can I write here? First denote the given integration by I. Let I is equal to integration of x square root of a square minus x raised to 6 dx. Integration of x square into square root of, I can write this as a square minus something square. It's square of x cube. Okay. Now here we clearly see that derivative of x cube is what? 3x square. So put for which term? X cube is equal to t. On differentiating, derivative of x cube is 3x square into dx is equal to dt. But we find only value of x square dx. X square dx is equal to dt divided by 3. Okay, and here is that term. That's why we find only value of x square dx. So integration becomes root of a square minus x cube is t, so a square minus t square into dt divided by 3. Look at here, 3 is constant, take outside the integration. So 1 upon 3 into integration of square root of a square minus t square dt. Okay, 1 upon 3 is as it is integration of, it looks like square root of a square minus x square. This term is of constant, that is a square, and this term is of variable, so I can denote this as x square. And we know the integration of square root of a square minus x square dx is x by 2 into square root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into its sine inverse of x upon a. Okay, so using that formula, we directly write this as 1 upon 3 into x by 2, that is t by 2 into square root of a square minus t square, okay, plus a square by 2 into sine inverse t by a plus constant of integration c, which is equal to 1 upon 3 as it is into, after simplification it's okay, simplification is done here, replace t by x cube. So x cube divided by 2 into root of a square minus x cube square plus a square by 2 into sine inverse of x cube divided by a plus constant of integration c is there. Okay, on simplification we simply write this as x cube divided by 3 into 2 is 6 x cube divided by 6 root of into root of a square minus x cube square is x raised to 6 by law of indices. A raised to m raised to n is nothing but a raised to mn plus a square by 2 as it is into sin inverse x if we multiply by 1 upon 3 a square divided by what happened here 6 is there into sin inverse x cube divided by a plus constant of integration c is there. So final answer is x cube divided by 6 into square root of a square minus x raised to 6 plus a square divided by 6 into sin inverse x cube divided by a plus constant of integration c. I hope you understand all these formulas and examples on the formulas. Thank you for